What a great day to be an American. What a great day to be alive. What a great day to smoke pot on 420, motherfucker. Is that today? Is that 420, pot day? Yeah. Okay, good. I just want to make sure, asking my man, Matt, the cameraman, does it all, baby. All right, listen. 4 amazing NBA playoff games. Absolutely amazing. I remember once, back to 420, one of my buddies gave my son a shirt 420, didn't even know it was pot day, and everybody in school's like high-fiving him when he's in 10th grade. He's wondering what the fuck's going on. All right. New York Knicks, Boston Celtics, 3 o'clock Eastern. Probably the best bet on the board would probably be the Knicks minus 350. I would say money line, it's impossible for them to lose that game. Celtics, can they beat them? Of course. I just don't think so. Okay? Laying the 7, another story. You're going to pay me for my opinion on that. But as far as a pure money line, I'd say the Knicks are the best bet on the board. The best live underdog, I think, is the last game of the night. The Memphis Grizzlies plus $1.80. I think they could beat the Clippers. They're a 5-point underdog. You'll pay me for that selection on what I think about it. But as far as an underdog, I think that's a live dog. I think the Grizzlies could win that game plus $1.80. Then during the middle of the day here, the Nets are the hardest favorite on the board. The Nets are absolutely the hardest favorite on the board because the Bulls ended the Heat streak. The Bulls pissed on the Knicks. The Bulls are very well coached. And then also, even though it's not going to happen, in the back of everybody's mind, it's like, fuck, what happens if Derrick Rose shows up? He could beat fucking LeBron James. That's not going to happen. But the Nets, Carlissimo at the helm, did a phenomenal job. They fired a coach. Carlissimo comes in. PJ, great fucking job. Thank God Deron Williams is back in form as arguably the best point guard in the NBA. Truth be told, right now, I mean, again, he's back. I mean, he got the Nets in the playoffs, and they're a 4.5-point favorite. So I think the favorite, the Nets are a very hard lay. So I would say, looking at that game, you're probably going to have to bet the Nets in that game. I would lean Nets in that game. You would have to. And then Denver Nuggets, Golden State Warriors, very, very, very tough game. Nuggets are 8, but they're so banged up. The Nuggets are not the Nuggets that won like 13 in a row. The Nuggets are not the Nuggets that are 26-3 at home, never fucking lose at home. The Nuggets are banged up. Without Gallinari, they're a much different team. And then they have 2 or 3 other key injuries. Golden State is live. Obviously, Seth Curry, Gerard Jack. They can fucking shoot the ball. There's no issue about it. And if Curry stays hot, he's good for, in the playoffs, anything, right? So, amazing day. Have games on my website. Gave you some free information. Hope it could be valuable. I guess today the only thing to do is smoke fucking pot. It's 420, okay? Fuck your wife or your girlfriend or as many fucking hookers and whores that you could fucking get and win money betting from me, a source, Stu Fighter.